sky. Think about it every night. Oh. Hello. Didn't realise it was being filmed. Just been doing the washing up. Actually, as I was doing the washing up, this caught my eye. Concentrated tomato foods. Now I've been thinking that after a good meal like I just had, humans need food in order to grow. But what about plants? We've got a tomato plant in the garden actually. And what kind of food do they need to grow? The last couple of weeks I haven't had a shave. You can see a little bit of facial hair is developing, nice colour. And it reminds me of my little friend here, little grass head. We shall call him Gary. Now Gary, you can see he's obviously growing quite a nice funky hairstyle here. Not too dissimilar to my facial hair, but what is it about Gary that's helping his hair to grow? What does Gary require in order for this grass to grow? It's about 5:15 PM and you can tell it's dark outside. I'm in the science block in Miss Young's room, and what's caught my eye is this beautiful plant in the corner. May look familiar to you. It's called a cactus. Obviously cactus is a specialised plant, and because it's a specialised plant it has its own specific food. Cacti concentrated feed. What do you think might be in there? What do you think might be in plant feed generally? What do plants need to grow? This is Mr. Gates' garden. Now, it's not a very big garden, but we do have a few different flowering species growing in this garden. However, I would love it to be more. But first of all, let's have a little closer look. It's just coming downstairs now in the Gates household. We've got this lovely house plant here, our Draconia mix, one of the house plants. But if I go into the garden, have a little bit of a closer look. Now, my wife loves to grow different herbs. So we've got some curled parsley here, and we've got some chives as well. We have attempted to grow a few tomatoes. So there's a tomato plant here, there's not many, it has borne very little fruit. But one of the presents we got when we got married was a vine. Now unfortunately, the vine hasn't grown very well. Wonder why not? What do we do wrong? One of the great successes though in our garden, we'll have to say, these beautiful flowers here. Any ideas what these are called? They're called sweet peas. One place I thought I'd pop into just on the way home is Homebase. I know there's so many things in here for plants, for gardens, so I thought this would be a good place to answer a few questions. So I could go into the garden centre, but I think I'll go down here because I've heard there's some good soil around here. Yes, so we've got compost, which is good for houseplants, multi-purpose compost, ericaceous compost, what's that? Interesting. I've got all sorts of things here for the garden as well. Grow more, multi-purpose plant food, Patch Magic, there's so many different resources you could use. Ooh. Birthday cards. I get one actually for my wife, lovely. Quite nice.